Now check the code which is adversely affect the charging function. Firstly, check you are using the correct AC adapter if the adapter is made by some other company as your laptop. Correct wattage can sometimes cause your laptop to be not charged. Now check for any damage if there is in code. Take time to check your AC adapter for any damage. Replace your AC adapter if there is any damage or if it is not correct wattage of your laptop. Another method is reinstall driver. For this, first open the driver manager. This can be found most easily with a Windows computer by using the search function, and then look at the battery setting. When the list has loaded, expanded the batteries tab. After this, do find the entry for your laptop battery. Click the entry that read Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery and then uninstall the current driver. Right click it and press uninstall. Click the button on the toolbar that says scan for the hardware changes. Alternately, you can open the action tab and press scan for hardware changes and then reinstall the driver. It will auto detect the battery and reinstall the driver. In this way, the problem may be solved. If this was the issue while charging a laptop, you, you will learn basic troubleshooting technique. In this case, your screen started showing strange or incorrect images. Testing with external monitor. Here testing of video output of an external monitor is observed. Now connect the laptop to an external monitor using a VGA cable, DVI cable, HDMI cable or S-video cable, depending upon type of connector you have. You can see the difference between two laptop screens out of which one laptop is faulted showing strange color. Some laptop detects external monitor automatically and initiates showing image on both screen right from startup. Some other model can detect the monitor but display images only on the screen. Here you will find enlisted keyword to detect related issues. Before proceeding further, let's understand what does video on external monitor shows. If the internal screen and the external monitor showed incorrect colors or any other images distortion, this shows the graphical card failure. Some other reason can be bad connection, bad LCD screen. Now in order to resolve the problem which is related to LCD screen cable, let's look at its functioning. Screen received a data signal from motherboard through LCD cable. If there is a loss of connection, the screen will reflect in such difficulty. For this, reset the LCD cable connector and see if it fits with the problem. With the help of twisting the LCD cable, we can resolve the problem. LCD cable run inside the display panel under the screen. For this test, it is necessary to disassemble the display so that you can use the cable. Now while laptop is running, now check the cable by twisting it. Because small cut on cable led to distortion, if screen changes with drag lines gives an indication of detect in it. Now you must replace this cable to eliminate fault. Another method to resolve the problem related to display is to apply pressure on top part of display assembly. If it is result in changing screen showing lines different colors which implies that screen has get damaged, now you have to replace it to solve the problem. How to test screen inverter? Inverter failure is similar to backlight lamp failure. In both cases the screen gets dark and image become faint, barely visible under the bright light. The only solution is by replacing with the other one and see if screen lights up. You can connect a new backlight lamp and see if your bad inverter light up. In many cases you can use it after removing the display bezel. The left side connector connect to LCD cable. The right side connector connect the backlight lamp which is mounted inside the screen. By using multimeter, test whether inverter is getting supply or not. If reading is 19.4 volt DC on the side of board, it shows that getting the power from the motherboard. You can see the connection point. While testing backlight, it gets turned on, the lamp inside the screen is bad. In that case, you have to change the screen. If it does not turn on, most likely it is inverter failure. Replace it and test the laptop again. You can see the picture of backlight connector as marked on images. Let's study the troubleshooting of a backlight lamp. You need to follow some simple steps. Firstly, this laptop was tested with an external monitor connected to the VGA port, and the external monitor worked fine. Now closely look at the laptop LCD and notice the screen is not completely black. If the screen still get the data signal from video card but for some reason backlight lamp is not working, then problem is related to the lid close switch and fault inverter board. Now cut off the power from inverter board to clean the lid's close switch. If there is no power coming to the inverter board, the backlight lamp will not light up. If the lid button worked properly, it didn't stuck inside the case. The image wasn't bright and it had a pinkish tone. A pinkish indicates a problem with the backlight lamp. That is not the inverter board. Even after performing said solution, backlight failure was suspected then. Testing of this laptop was done with a new inverter board just in case. Now disconnect the screen backlight lamp connector from the inverter board and connect it test backlight lamp. Be sure that the connector on the backlight lamp is same as to the connector on your LCD screen. The laptop screen has a faulty backlight lamp. You can see the picture with the backlight lamp failure. If your laptop background has a reddish tone and the screen flicks, it makes a noticeable vibrant noise coming from the backlight and inverter area. The backlight turns off by itself and the noise stops. When the backlight is off, the image on the screen is still visible but it is very dark.